Hello, Bali babes. We are in Lake Tahoe. Shopping around at the Goodwill they have here. They have one, and Morgan's dropping things over there, ma'am. Anyways, welcome back. What are we looking for?
Clothes.
Okay, clothes. We're looking for clothes. So we'll take you with us, and here we go. I'm trying not to like knock stuff over here because I'm not from here. I don't want to make a mess, so bear with me. I'm gonna go really slowly. Look at this scarf too. Isn't this cute?
That's cute.
Like it's a bandana. Oh, yes. This is only $6.
Yeah, we can try it on too.
Oh.
I found these on the train.
All right. But you know what? See if you can. You see if you can tie it. Like a double tie. Oh, yes. A pirate's life is for me. More florals. This is really big. So it's kind of like a kimono, but it's like a kimono, but it's just too like, you know.
Yeah, you like put it through the hole.
Oh
There's
yeah.
gotta be, because there's a tie right here. You know, like a wrap. How
Yeah.
there's like that hole
Yeah.
that holds.
To,
Like you go like
oh
this.
yeah, you're right. Is it? Can you see? Oh, unless like that.
Yeah, and then you bring that all the way around and like tie it. You know.
Oh yeah, that would actually be really cute. But I don't know what's going on. Like we need this to be covered up. Okay, I have another idea. You want to hear my idea?
Yeah.
You be Siamese twins, and you just do like this friendship. You know, I do really like this, but I gotta figure out how to still tie it. Like even if I, oh.
It'd be super cute with like those white shoes I saw at TJ Maxx, you know? It's so cute with that. Like the white high tops. Or like, you know,
The
platforms.
yes. Whoa. Pineapples, tropical print. Let's try it on. You know what, honestly, this for like $5 feels pretty good. Like I want to try it on. We should try it on. Yeah, we should try it on. So let's see. Yeah, it's like a midi. Okay.
My arms start to get tired
From like going like this, yeah. In case you guys didn't know, we're CrossFit warriors now, so that's why we're swole. These are pants, but they have slits in them. Did you see these? Pants with slits. Pants with slits. Let's try them.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
You want dainty rings, right?
Okay.
Just a plain chain. It says 1928. Put on it though. See. Let me first see if it fits on any finger because oh, it kind of fits on my ring finger. Hello from the dressing room. I'm gonna try on some of these pieces since the dressing room is open. It's nice. It's kind of like a muumuu, but it's cute. Bandanas. Yeah, you like it? I feel like it's a little bit too big too, huh? They're always the hardest to tie. Oh man. Tie. This kind of matches. See? This looks like kind of crazy, but let's see. Oh no. Nope. 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 Too big. So we're done. Actually, we're not done. We're going to Ross, right? We're gonna
Yes.
Yes. We're going to Ross.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you, ma'am. But yes, we're going to Ross. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. What am I saying? As always, please make sure to like and subscribe. Morgan says bye. Bye. Love you guys.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
to say you love. It's not for me to say you